Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are traveling to one of the most breathtaking countries on Earth, South Africa. A land where dramatic mountains meet endless oceans, where wildlife roams freely across vast savannas, and where nature creates landscapes so beautiful they almost feel unreal. From iconic coastlines and legendary national parks, to hidden waterfalls and magical mountain ranges, South Africa is a paradise for travelers, photographers, and nature lovers. In today's video, we will explore 15 of the most stunning places in South Africa that you must see at least once in your lifetime. So sit back, relax, and let the journey begin. Located in the province of Mpumalanga, the Blyde River Canyon is one of the largest green canyons in the world. Massive cliffs stretch across the horizon while the river winds through lush valleys below. One of the most famous viewpoints here is God's Window, where clouds drift beneath your feet. At sunrise, golden light transforms the canyon into a magical landscape. If you dream of seeing Africa's legendary wildlife, there is no better place than Kruger National Park. This world-famous park covers nearly 20,000 square kilometers. Here, you can see the famous Big Five lions, elephants, leopards, rhinos, and buffalo in their natural habitat. Watching elephants walk across the savanna at sunset is an unforgettable experience. The majestic Drakensberg Mountains form the highest mountain range in South Africa. Jagged peaks rise dramatically above green valleys and crystal-clear rivers. Hiking trails lead to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. For adventurers and nature lovers, this region is pure paradise. At the southwestern tip of Africa lies the legendary Cape of Good Hope. Massive cliffs rise above the crashing Atlantic Ocean. For centuries, sailors believed this point marked the end of the African continent. Today, it's one of the most scenic coastal destinations in the world. Near Cape Town, you'll find one of the most unique beaches on Earth, Boulders Beach. This beach is famous for its colony of adorable African penguin. Watching these penguins waddle across white sand while waves crash nearby is both funny and unforgettable. One of the most beautiful cities in the world is Cape Town, surrounded by mountains and ocean. This city offers breathtaking scenery everywhere you look. Colorful neighborhoods, stunning beaches, and vibrant culture make Cape Town a must-visit destination. Rising above Cape Town is the iconic Table Mountain. Its flat summit offers panoramic views of the city, ocean, and coastline. Visitors can hike to the top or ride the famous cable car. From above, Cape Town looks like a dream. The famous Garden Route is one of the most scenic drives in the world. Stretching along the southern coast, it features forests, beaches, lagoons, and charming towns. Every turn reveals a new, breathtaking view. Wildlife lovers should not miss Addo Elephant National Park. This park is home to one of the largest populations of elephants in Africa. Watching a herd of elephants gather around a watering hole is truly unforgettable. The coastal town of Hermanus is known as one of the best whale-watching destinations on Earth. Every year, southern right whales migrate here to give birth. Seeing these massive creatures leap from the ocean is an incredible sight. Hidden beneath the mountains near Oudtshoorn are the incredible Kango Caves. These caves feature giant stalactites and dramatic underground chambers formed over millions of years. Walking through them feels like entering another world. Just off the coast of Cape Town lies Robben Island. This island holds deep historical significance as the place where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned for many years. Today, it stands as a symbol of freedom and resilience. The sunny city of Durban is famous for its long golden beaches. Warm Indian Ocean waters make it perfect for surfing, swimming, and relaxing. Palm trees and ocean views create a tropical atmosphere. The breathtaking Golden Gate Highlands National Park is known for its glowing sandstone cliffs. At sunset, the mountains turn brilliant shades of gold and orange. It's one of South Africa's most photogenic landscapes. The most stunning natural wonder on this list is Isimangaliso Wetland Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site contains lakes, wetlands, beaches, and wildlife all in one place. Here you can see hippos, crocodiles, turtles, and hundreds of bird species. It's truly a natural paradise. South Africa is a country filled with incredible beauty, wildlife, and unforgettable landscapes. From the majestic Table Mountain to the wild plains of Kruger National Park, every destination offers something unique. If you enjoyed this journey through South Africa, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing travel destinations around the world. And tell us in the comments, which place would you most love to visit? Until next time, keep exploring this beautiful planet.